Managing an online shop's customers' DMs on Instagram is not so simple. Inefficient ways will only leave your customers disappointed. Now is the time to maximize your quality of service. Use Messenger API for Instagram to manage incoming messages to your online shop. Messenger API for Instagram has various features and advantages that can optimize your online shop customer experience. The private reply feature, for instance, allows your business account to reply to comments via Instagram DM. Story mentions help to raise awareness about your brand to audiences. The auto-reply feature allows you to reply to messages automatically, especially after office hours. Also, integration with other social media channels and various supported systems empower your business to do more. Most importantly, the Messenger API for Instagram can be used simultaneously by many agents and devices without having to directly use Instagram. Messenger API for Instagram is the perfect solution to improve the quality of service for your online shop. What are you waiting for? Get the Messenger API for Instagram, only at Qiscus.